So Joe, could you explain to us the features of the flight deck of this particular flying test bed?
Sure, Guy. The main thing that we've changed is the communication system, the intercom system. We have a digital system that's compatible with what we've installed in the back. It allows for three separate intercoms, so the people in the back can have two different channels, and we can still talk with ourselves, or we can tie them all together and have everybody can understand what's going on. Also, we have, although we don't control the test engine normally, but we do have the capability in case of emergency to shut the engine down and fight a fire if it happens, and we hope not, of course. We also have indications up here of of any smoke that's in the aft cabin above our electrical load banks.
And is the flight deck otherwise completely normal for a 757?
Yeah, otherwise it's normal as it came from the factory generally, 757.